Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in class, one of my students was telling me about an English language teaching conference she went to over the weekend. I asked how it had gone. And she said she enjoyed it, she networked a lot, she met a lot of fellow teachers from different parts of the world, but that the sessions she'd seen were a bit hit and miss. Some of them were really good, some of them far less so. She talked about a couple of sessions she went to that she said were really thin. Basically, they didn't have much content. They were half-an-hour talks that really contained 6 or 7 minutes worth of good ideas. And because they were so thin, the speakers had to pad the talks out a bit. They had to add stuff just to make the talks longer. And so what they did was just waffle on and on and on. If someone waffles or they waffle on, they basically talk or write a lot without really giving any useful information or answering any questions. So, as you probably know, if you're a student and you don't know the answer to a question, it's no good just waffling on and on for pages and pages, or waffling on for hours and hours in response to a particular question. Waffle can also be used as a noun. So maybe you miss a big staff meeting with the big boss and you ask one of your colleagues, "Hey, how was the meeting? What did the big boss say?" It was all just a load of waffle," they might reply. "Nothing important was mentioned at all." Maybe if you've ever had to write a dissertation, a kind of 10,000 word dissertation or a 15,000 word dissertation, perhaps as part of a master's degree. Like me, you might really struggle to tell 10,000 words, so you end up having to pad the thing out with a load of waffle. Right, I'm going to stop waffling on myself now and leave you to it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it on social media with your friends, with your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use waffle or waffle on.